Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. Dear students, in our previous class we studied about measures of length, weight and capacity. We also studied about how to convert from unit of one measure to different unit. For example, from kilometer to meter, from meter to kilometer and meter, liter to kiloliter and liter, milligram to gram and centigram, etc. Now, today we will learn how to add and subtract measures. Means we can do addition and subtraction of measures of same type. It means if two different measures of the same quantity is given, like one is given in kilogram and another one is also given in kilogram, then we can add them together or we can subtract them, whatever instruction is given to us. For this, first of all, we write the given quantities in column. As you know, one side you know that we write kilogram, then one side gram. Under kilogram we write the value which is given in kilogram, and under gram we write the value which is given in gram. Similarly, we do the same with liter and kiloliter or milliliter is given. We can also do the same with kilometer and meter. So whatever is given, we do the addition and subtraction of the given quantities. So I am going to give you some examples. With the help of examples, you can understand how to add the measures. So first example is here. Find the sum of, we will see first example of adding, then we see the example of subtracting. Example 1 is here. Find the sum of, of 40 kilometer, 30 meter and 20 kilometer, 50 meter. We have to find the sum of these two measures. So we write here solution. We write first on the top. In column method we write, so first we write kilometer and meter. So here I am writing kilometer and here I am writing meter. And now under kilometer 40 and under meter 30. Again we write here 20 as it is given 20 kilometer and here 50 meter. Now we will add. So first we add the number which is given in meter, and if any carry will come, we will forward to the kilometer. As we know, 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer, still we are having number here in tens. So carry in this case will not come to here, and still it will not carry here also in this case. So we will add 0 plus 0, 0 and 3 plus 5, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 2, 6. And we can write here hence 40 kilometer, 30 meter plus 20 kilometer 50 meter is equal to 60 kilometer 80 meter. 60 kilometer 80 meter, and this is the required answer. Now, based on this example, you can solve question of exercise 13.3 first one. You can see in the book also, it is written find the sum, the different quantities given, and you have to find the sum. Now, another example I am taking of subtracting the measure, means how to subtract the two measures which is given to us. Here simply I am writing subtract 20 kilometer 30 meter from 40 kilometer 50 meter. Here instead of and I write here from. Subtract 20 kilometer 30 meter from 40 kilometer 50 meter, means from this we have to subtract this one. So again write the same format, kilometer meter, and then we write 40 kilometer 50 meter 20 kilometer 30 meter. Now we do the subtraction. So here we write minus 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 3 2, and 0 minus 0 0, and 4 minus 2 2. So it will come 20 kilometer and 20 meter, and here also we can change minus it will be 20 kilometer and 20 meter answer. So like this you can do the addition and subtraction of the given measures. Here it is given in kilometer meter, if it is given in kilogram gram, even in the same pattern you have to follow, same way you have to follow. If it is given liter milliliter, the same way you have to follow. Now I am going to solve one questions from exercise 13.3, 1 number and 2 number, to make you understand how will you solve in your fair notebook these questions. So I am writing the question of your exercise. All of you open your book and see exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3, question number 1. It is written here, find the sum of 19 meter 17 centimeter, comma 40 meter 28 centimeter. So it is written here 19 meter 17 centimeter, comma 40 meter 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. So as the written instruction, find the sum. So we write a solution. First we write the given measures in column, means meter and centimeter we write. Under meter we write the value of meter. So here I am writing 19 meter, and under the centimeter we write the value which is given in centimeter. So centimeter. Then 40 meter and 28 centimeter. Now we have to add. So simply I am written here plus sign, and now we will add 7 plus 8 15, 5, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2 and 2, 4. Now 9 plus 0, 9 and 1 plus 4, 5. So it will be 59 meter, 45 centimeter. We can write here, hence 19 meter, 17 centimeter plus 40 meter, 28 centimeter is equal to 59 meter, 45 centimeter answer. In this way, you will do the question of first question of exercise 13.1. For each, it is given in total 6 questions. So one I did for you, remaining 5 you will do. Now I am going to solve one question from question number 2. It is written subtract. I hope this one understood. Now I am going to solve one question, question number 1 of 1. It is written subtract 12 kilometer 250 meter from 24 kilometer 780 meter. So I am changing the value here. I am writing here 12 kilometer 250 meter 250 meter from 24 kilometer 780 meter. Now again we write the solution and we write the given ranges in column. Means we write here kilometer and here meter. The value which is in kilometer we write under kilometer, but we have to subtract this value from this one. So this one should be written up and this one should be written down. So we write here 24 kilometer and 780 meter. Then we write 12 kilometer 250 meter. Now put sign of subtraction and then from 0 we subtract 0. So the value will be 0. 8 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 2, 2 and 2 minus 1, 1. So we will have our answer here 12 kilometer 530 meters. So we write again here hence 24 kilometer 780 meter minus 12 kilometer 250 meter is equal to 12 kilometer 530 meter. Like this you will do the subtraction, and in this also 6 questions given, one I solve for you. Remaining questions you will solve like this. After this we have given some word problem, and these word problems are also based on addition and subtraction. As you have done word problem in your previous chapters, here also you will do the same. As you have done word problems in addition of numbers, subtraction of numbers, again you have addition and subtraction on measures, so you can do easily. But I am going to solve some questions for you so that you can understand how to write word problems. So I am going to solve question number 3. All of you read the question from your book. It is written here, a bucket had 12 liters 50 milliliter of milk, out of which 8 liter 250 milliliter of milk is used for making sweets. How much milk is now left in the bucket? Remember, whenever it is asking how much milk is left, or if any question is asking how much left, you have to understand you are supposed to subtract. You have to subtract. Means when we subtract the given quantity, then we can get our answer. And when any question is asking find out the total, whenever it is in total, you will add. Means you will do addition to get the answer. So in this question, you have to subtract 8 liter 250 milliliter from 12 liter 50 milliliter to get the left amount of milk. Now I am going to write. So it is solution number 3. I am writing here. We write the amount of milk in the basket is equal to how much amount given? The amount of milk in the basket is equal to 12 liter 50 milliliter. Liters 50 milliliters, and the amount of milk used to make sweets. So we write the amount of milk used for making sweets. The amount of milk used for making sweets is equal to 8 liter 250 milliliter. 8 liters 250 milliliters. Okay. So how much amount of milk is left? So we write amount of milk left in the basket is equal to amount of milk left in the basket is equal to total amount of milk minus amount of milk used. So we write 12 liter. In short we write L for liter and 50 milliliter minus 8 liter 250 milliliter. It is L for liter and ml for 50 ml for milliliter. So again we write in the same way, liter, milliliter. Here we have 12, here we have 50, 8 and 250. Now we subtract 0 minus 0, 0. As you know, 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter, but this here we have only 50, so here we consider 0. Now 5 minus 5, 0. From 0, 2 will not be subtracted, so we take 1 borrow, and it will be 10 minus 2, 8, and here will be left 1, and then 1 minus 8 not possible, so we take 1 borrow from here, so it will become 11 minus 8, 3. Means our answer will be 3 liter 800 milliliter. Here you can write 3 liter 800 milliliter. So we write from here hence milk left in the basket equal to in the basket is equal to 3 liters 800 milliliters, and this is the answer. Like this you can solve word problems of this exercise. Now one more question I am going to solve for you. Question number 6 of your book. So all of you read question number 6. It is written here, a basket contains 2 kg 500 grams sugar. A basket contains 2 kg 500 grams sugar, 3 kg 250 gram of rice and 5 kg 500 gram of pulses. What is the total weight of the basket? So just before solving question number 3, I told whenever it is asked to calculate total, we will add all together. Okay, so 3 different weights given to us, we will add them together to get the total weights. So we will solve question like this. Question number 6, we write the weight of sugar in the basket is equal to the weight of rice in the basket is equal to, and the weight of pulses in the basket is equal to, and then total weight we write. So here we write the weight of sugar, the weight of sugar in the basket is equal to 2 kg 500 gram. 2 kg 500 gram. Then we write the weight of rice in the basket is equal to the weight of rice in the basket is equal to 3 kg 250 gram. 3 kg 250 gram. and the weight of pulses in the basket is equal to weight of pulses in the basket is equal to 5 kg 500 gram. Okay, and he is asking how much or what is the total weight of the basket. So we write the weight of the basket is equal to the total weight of the basket is equal to we will add all these three weights, weight of sugar, rice and pulses all together. So we write 2 kg 500 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram plus 5 kg 500 gram. Okay, now we will add together. So here we write kg, gram, 5. First it is 2 kg 500, then 3 kg 250, and then 5 kg 500 gram. Now it will become 0, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5, 11. It will be 11 kg 250 gram. And we write last line that hence, we write here hence weight of basket is equal to, here is no space, that's why I am writing here weight of basket is equal to 11 kg 250 gram. Answer. So I hope you understood these two word problems. On behalf of this, you can solve the remaining questions of exercise 13.3. So your homework will be solve exercise 13.3. So thank you students. Bye bye.